Working na ba? Sige. Okay, so our topic for the prelim is word processing. In your modules, I've opened yung ating pong modules. Ayan, so for week 2 to week 5. So that is history of technology. Ayan. So hindi ko na itong mga nandito, hindi ko na yan i-discuss. It's for you to read. Okay, but it is included in your exams. Okay, so our exams will have two parts, the theory, and then part 2 would be hands-on. Okay, so the theory would either be online or on-site. So depende po if papayagan tayo ng online, then we will have it online. But definitely the hands-on is online. Okay, kasi output-based po yan. Okay, so yung mga walang gadget, you may use yung atin pong room 307 every Tuesday, 4:30 to 7:30. Ayan, I'm thinking pa if gagawin kong 2:30, starting 2:30 hanggang 7:30, you may use that kasi I will also be offering the room to other sections. Kasi yung other sections po ay walang computer laboratory. So, kayo lang yung meron. That is also the reason why I requested na online tayo. Pero yung mga walang gadget at home, wala silang laptop or desktop, they may use the laboratory every Tuesday, yung schedule ninyo. Okay? But all activities may be done at home naman po. Okay? If you have a gadget, a computer or a laptop. Yung cellphones kasi medyo hindi masyadong maganda. Okay? Yung features ng mga applications if you use the phone. Okay? So, dito tayo mag-focus. Oh, by the way, we have our first We have our first activity. I hope nagawa ninyo siya ng maganda. Okay, at nag-follow naman ng instruction. Okay, kasi ang instruction ko there is to paste a 2x2 picture, ID picture. Paste. Okay, so dapat makikita ko agad yung inyong mga muka. O yan, just like this. Ayan, tama yan. Okay? Ayan, so mukhang maayos naman. Okay. Yung iba kasi, hindi nag-paste, so ang ginawa nila nag-upload. Okay? So, hindi ko makita yung pictures. Mali yun. Okay? Pag ganun po, pwede naman nating ulitin. Okay? Pwede nyong i-edit. Sandali, hindi ko makita yung edit button. Pwede nyo naman pong i-edit yung inyong submission. But right now, I will have to edit the due date. Sandali. Ayan. Pagpasensyaan nyo na si ma'am ay medyo may problems sa aking site. Ano ba naman yan? Wala naman kung kiniklik na right click. Nag-right click siya. Okay. So, the due date for this activity will be on Feb 1. Kasi, ayan. Hindi. January 25 siya. So, I will do it Feb 1. Ayan. And then, it will be locked on Feb 8. Okay. Any question on this activity? Okay, none? Okay. So, let's proceed. Next, it's word processing. Ay, tingnan ko lang. Nandito na ba yung isang activity? Okay, nandito naman. Okay. So, for word processing, I also included some discussions. Ayan. So, actually, ito hindi to galing sa akin. Ayan. So, word processing means word. Using word. Okay? So, ang gagamitin po natin with word processing is Microsoft Word. Okay, so you may use the version 2013, 2019, or 365. Pare-pareho lang naman po yan. Okay? Meron lang mga advanced features yung Office 365. Pero medyo may kamahalan kasi siya, kaya I don't I don't require. Okay? But what I'm using is Office 365. Okay? So, at least makikita nyo kung ano yung meron dito compared dun sa iba. Okay? Yung ma'am, bakit Office 365? Kasi when you go out, okay, most companies, okay, they use Office 365. So, mas maganda ma ano ka na dito, masanay ka na with Office 365. Okay? Dun sa mga features, yung mga kaya niya. Okay? So, word processing means, so, i-inverse color ko lang guys kasi like what I've said, I'm blind, ha? Yan. So, meron din tayong dark mode dito. So, ako nag-inverse color lang ako. Hindi ko na din na dark mode kasi yung Excel, wala siyang dark mode. Okay? So, minsan, pag nag-aano ko yung dalawahang screen, tapos yung isa naka-dark, yung isa naka-light. Pag nag-inverse color ako, yung isa naka-black, yung isa naka-light. So, sabi ko, sige, hindi ko na i-dark mode ang Word. Okay? Pero meron talagang dark mode ang Word. Ayan o. So, meron siya dito, somewhere here. Basta, meron siyang ganyan. Okay? Sa mga, ano. So, here are our menu, or menu. Ayan. Okay, so yan yung menu bar. And then, ito yung mga ribbon. So, every time you change yung ating menu, ayan. So, makikita yung mga ribbon. So, ano yung ribbon? Yun ma'am, yung laman niya. Okay, dun sa ano kasi, sa ibang version, pag kinlik mo to, parang yung SAP lang natin, mag-a-appear siya like a drop down. Okay. So, dito, nandyan na siya. Ito yung ribbon. Okay. May option ka naman pong alisin yung ribbon. Pwede mong ano yung ribbon. Kasi gusto mo mas malaki siguro yung nakikita mong parts in here. Pwede mo namang ilagay dito. Ito may drop down siya dyan. Ayan. So, if you can see, ayan yung mouse ko. Ayan. So, click mo lang yung drop down over here. Ayan. So, ito nagalagay dito. Always show the ribbon. Ma'am, kung ayaw mo ng may ribbon, edi hide the ribbon. Ay, sorry. Nawala. Ayan. So, yung quick access, yun yung nandun sa taas. Ayun o. Yung parang mga gusto mo laging kasama. Okay? So, kung ayaw mo ng ribbon, edi wag mong i-click yung always show ribbon. Okay? Oy. Ayaw niya maklik. O, sige. Show tabs only. O, ito na lang. Ayun. So, hindi makikita yung ribbon. Okay. So, mas marami yung nananavigate mo or nakikita mong parts. Okay. Kaya lang, i-click mo ito, mag-a-appear naman yung ribbon. Okay. So, at least mas malaki. Okay. So, maganda ito siguro pag need mong screenshot ng something. Okay. Pero ako gusto ko kasi nakikita ko yung ribbon. Okay. So, I always want to see the ribbon. Okay. So, yan yung ating ribbon. Sa home, nandyan yung pinakang summary ng lahat ng mga pwede mong gawin. Okay, pero meron naman din dito mga insert, menu tab, ayan, design, layout, references, mailing, review, view. So, lahat naman yan medyo matatakil natin. Okay? Pero on our first day, today, hindi masyado. Okay? Kasi more on dito lang tayo sa home. Okay? So, ito yung ating parang quick access. Ilalagay mo dito yung mga lagi mong ginagamit. Okay? Ayan. So, pag hindi ka pa familiar, ayan, lagay mo dyan yung mga gusto mo. Kung gusto mong dagdagan, pwede ka namang mag-add. Ayan. Ano yung mga gusto mo ipaglalagay dyan. Okay. Ako naman, medyo hindi na ako masyadong gumagamit ng ganyan kasi I use shortcuts. Yung keyboard shortcuts. Yung control ganto, control ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Pero pag hindi ka kasi familiar doon, hindi mo siya memorize, you use this. Wala namang masama. Mabilis din naman siya kasi pag ganun mo, click ka lang nung nandito. Okay? So, pag hindi mo lang memorize yung mga ganun. Kasi pag lagi mo siyang ginagamit, 'di ba? Mame-memorize mo na siya. Okay, so can I see hearts to those who are still here? Ayan, thank you. Medyo madalas lang yung question ko na ganyan kasi like what I've said, gusto ko nandyan kayo. Mhm. So dito sa Gmail, ay sa Gmeet, hindi nyo ako nakakita. But on the recording, you can see me. Okay, kasi dun sa OBS natin, may ano ko. Kaya lang, pagpasensyahan nyo na the face and the look. Ayan, medyo haggard si ma'am kasi talagang itong week na to. Kasi if you can see my FB, my mother just passed away. So, actually, kaya din ako parang, basta haggard na haggard si mother. Alam niyo naman ako. Ay, alam niyo naman ang, ano. Okay, so that is word processing. So, yung about the reading, the theory, ikaw na dun, be. Okay, explain ko lang sa inyo yung what I know. Okay, yun din yun. Okay, so it's all about Word. Okay, so pwede tayo gumamit ng WPS, Google Docs, and many more. Marami tayong mga word processing docs, but this is the most popular. So I am using this. Okay, so it's all about words. Okay, so kunyari, name ni ma'am. O yan, Marie, Stacy. Ay, Stacy. Oy, gumala ka. Bulag kasi si ma'am, no? Ayan, Margaret Diaz. Ayan. Kunyari, Ilapil Diaz. Ayan. Okay? Diaz. Uy, Diaz. Yan. Okay? So, yan. Okay? So, anong difference niya with spreadsheet? Kasi next sa midterms natin, we will be dealing with spreadsheets. Ma'am, sa Word kasi, we don't have cells. Okay? So, pag pupunta ka on this side, magta-tab ka, tab, 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 ganun. Okay? Pag sa Excel kasi, meron siyang mga cells. Kunyari, cell 1, cell 2, dito. Lipat lang ako dito, cell 2, cell 2. Ayan. Okay? So, Word is not best for computing. Okay? So, for computing, dun tayo sa Excel. Okay? Dito, pero marami din namang features ang Word. Okay? Na mas maganda compared mo naman sa Excel. Okay? Kasi when you are doing thesis, or doing memo, mga letters, mga ganyan, maganda naman si Word. Okay? So, our first activity kasi is a resume. So, ano to? Mga tools. Ayan, so ito pinakita po sa inyo ano yung mga word processing tools. Yung iba kasi I'm not familiar. Okay. Ayoko naman mag-download ng mga something kasi mahirap na wala tayong pambayad. Tapos baka magkaroon pa ng virus si ma'am. But these are tools. Okay? These are word processing tools na pwede. Okay? Some of them are free. O, ayan, free. Some of them are not. Okay? Okay. Meron din tayong note. 'Di ba yung notepad? Baka hindi nyo ano. Meron tayo dito somewhere. I can't see. Ito ba yung notes? Ito yata. Note. Ayan, yung notes. Okay? Pwede din yan. Kaso, wala masyadong formatting kay note. Okay? Isang font lang per note. Okay? So, I don't like yan. Diba? So, features of Microsoft Word. Ayan. So, professional document formatting. Kasi, let's go back to Word. Saan na yung Word ko? Nope. Ito. Yan. Okay? So, features nito, when you open Word, okay, kunyari, mag-new tayo. Ay, mag-new. Hindi. New. Kunyari, mag-new. Mag-new, okay. Meron siya ditong mga templates. Oy, wag mo akong pahiya. Asan yung templates natin? Meron siya ditong mga resume. Teka lang Kasi dito meron siyang theme. Okay, meron siya. Teka lang. Kasi pag nag-shift from black to white yung aking mata, biglang lumalabo. Okay, so meron siya dito. Ayan o. Meron siyang mga suggested theme. Okay, but usually dito pa lang sa tabi ng blank, okay, may mga templates na dyan. So probably hindi kasi ako gumagamit ng template kaya hindi siya nag-a-appear. Okay, so meron siya dito, take a tour, meron siyang table of contents. Ayan, matatakin natin ang table of contents because it is very important when you are in your research. Okay, so meron siya dyang calendar, but I do calendar sa Excel kasi mas maganda doon, may mga box. Okay, ano pa ang maganda? Flyers, ayan, brochure, memo. Okay, so may templates siya dito ng bakit ba hindi nag-a-appear ang resume. So, pwede ka naman mag-type. Okay, so resume. Ayan, try natin. Okay, ayan, so may mga mag-a-appear dyan na templates ng resume. Okay, so nasa sa inyo na yan kung ano yung gusto ninyo. Okay, but again, I'm not using templates. I do it on my own. Okay, kasi sometimes mga templates nila parang kakaiba. Parang, Ganon. Okay, I will be telling you how to do a professional resume. Okay, so ayan, meron tayong I put a link there, YouTube link, ayan, YouTube, pareho lang yan. Okay? Kasi para on how to do your Word. Okay? So, before I go here, down here, kasi resume yung ating first topic, skip ko muna ito. So, we go dun sa ating resume. Here. So, resumes, parts and types. Okay, so resume. Pwedeng resume, pwedeng resume, but since we are graduate of Fatima, let's use resume. Okay, para medyo formal yung dating. Okay, and it is the right pronunciation of a resume. Diba? So, resume. Okay, so what is a resume? It is a summary of your work background, skills, and everything. Okay? Kasi when you are applying for a work, okay, so they might want to know what are your skills, your experience, and so on. Okay? So we have our first type. It is a chronological resume. So chronological resume is a typical resume naman, but everything is in order. I mean, it started from nag-aral ka, then nag-work, and so on. Ganyan. Okay? So, yung mga everything to you, ayan, yung history in a chronological order. Okay? So, okay lang naman siya, pero sometimes kasi hindi naman yun yung gustong makita ng employers. Okay? So, but it is up to you. Okay? So, you also have your functional resume. Functional resume focuses on the functions that you've had. Okay? So, primarily yung mga skills mo, ba't may ganon? Okay? Kasi, meron tayong mga employers that are only after your skills. Okay? They don't care about where you graduate or if you graduated or something, but they care about how or how they can use you or what do you know. Okay? So, don't forget to put your skills. Okay, so if you have your skills on SAP, put it there. Skills on Microsoft Office. This is a part of Microsoft Office. You have your Word, Excel, Outlook, OneNote, PowerPoint, and everything. Okay, so pag ano ka doon, ilagay mo yon. Okay? Ayan. So, this is used siguro dun sa mga hands-on work. Okay? Kunyari, spa. They are looking for massage therapist. So, they might want a functional resume. Kasi gusto nilang malaman, ano ba yung alam mo? 'Di ba? Ano yung kaya mo? Okay? Next, we have your combination resume. So, yung combination resume is partly meron siyang mga nandyan ang skills, o nandyan ang function, nandyan ang work experience, nandyan ang education, hobbies, participation, membership in something. So, combination po siya. Okay? So, lahat nandun. Okay? But not in a chronological way. Okay? We have your targeted resume. So, yung targeted resume natin is focusing on the target. 'Di ba? Focusing on what they want. So, sometimes, nag-submit ka na ng resume, pero they will still ask you to fill up something. Okay? So, fill up something kasi ito yung mga need nila. So, they want to know if ano yung kung best fit ka ba dun sa job that they want. Okay? So, yun yung tinatawag nating targeted resume. Okay? Meron din po tayo ditong, teka lang, nawawala talaga yung mata ko. Hindi naman yung mata, nawawala yung paningin. Okay. So, meron naman tayong infographic resume. So, these use graphics, but it is not um, best for us, okay, accounting graduates, because um, ito po kasi includes mga graphics. So, probably, ang kumukuha nito is yung mga artists, 'di ba? Kunyari, they want to know if kaya mo talagang mag-paint, kaya mong magganto. So, you will show your tinatawag nating portfolio. Okay? So, yung mga models, mga ganyan. So, yun yung gusto nilang makita, pictures. Okay? Kasi, yun yung trabaho na kukunin nila. Okay? So, sa atin naman kasi sa accounting, 'di ba? Walang picture yun. Okay? Hands-on yun. So, probably targeted yung meron sa. Okay? Yung mga ganyan. Okay? So, next would be mini resume. Mini resume is a typical resume, para siyang yung combination resume, pero in a brief summary. Okay? So, for me, ayan yung mga ginagamit natin madalas. Okay? So, it includes 1 or 2 pages long lang kasi very brief lang. Hindi ko na i-explain ano yung mga ginagawa ko per work experience. Hindi ko na i-explain ano yung mga pinag-aralan ko sa um, sa bachelor's degree, sa master's degree, or everything. 'Di ba? So, very brief lang, year, ano siya, anong ano yung pinag-aralan mo, anong year ka nag-graduate, anong school, yun lang. Okay? Anong work mo, ano yung title, from when to when, mga ganon. Na brief lang siya. Okay? Bakit? Ito yung widely used because employers medyo tamad tumingin. Okay? Magbasa. That is the reason why if they want to ask for something more, they will ask you to provide a targeted resume. Parang, ito, nabasa na niya. Uy, pre-qualified na siya. Okay, sige. Pasagutin ng targeted resume yan. Mga ganun. Kasi they want to know, ano pa yung iba mong kaya. Or they might call you or interview para malaman kung ano pa yung mga gusto nilang malaman. Okay? We also have here federal resume. So, yung federal resume is submitted to a government office. Okay? So, if you are applying for a government position, pagsasubmitin ka nila ng federal resume. So, if some of you, baka meron dito mga SK or mga something, pinag-fill up ka niyan. Nakalimutan ko lang talaga yung pangalan, pero when I applied sa URS before, meron silang parang personal data sheet ba yun or personal info sheet, nakalimutan ko na yung tawag. Basta ganun. So after mo mag-submit ng resume, gagawa ka pa ng another resume which is called a federal resume. Okay? And then yung non-traditional resume, ayan. So meron tayong mga creative resume, siguro yung mga nakita natin sa Word kanina, yung mga example niya, maraming may pictures, may kung ano-ano. Ayan. So, mga non-traditional resume. Okay, and we have a curriculum vitae. So again, it is called a curriculum vitae. Kasi ano vitae? Vitae, curriculum vitae. So curriculum vitae is a resume focused on your academics. So malamang if you are a fresh graduate, okay, your resume is called a curriculum vitae. Why? Kasi wala kang malagay na work experience. Okay? So yung mga nag-ano sa atin, mga nag-JPIA president, JPIA may mga officers natin ng JPIA. Ayan. So, for work experience, pwede po nilang ilagay yon. Because it is relevant, 'di ba, dun sa work they are applying for. Okay? Unlike yung iba-ibang mga club org, mga ganyan, parang irrelevant siya. So, kahit ilagay mo siya doon, wala siyang silbi. Okay? Kasi we are applying for an accounting position. But if you graduate here and you are applying for gusto mong maging model, 'di ba? Mukhang dapat yung infographic yung resume mo, no? So it really depends on the employer that you are applying for. Okay, pero hindi naman kasi nila sasabihin sa iyo ano po ba yung um, kailangan kong resume na ipasa. So if you are not sure, then use the mini resume or a curriculum vitae kasi nga wala ka pa namang work experience. Okay? So, parts of the resume, of course, you have your heading, ayan, your contact information. So, nandyan ang inyong full name, like what I did, ayan ang full name ko. Pwedeng caps lock, pwedeng hindi. So, if in case lang na gusto mo siyang i-caps lock, you may highlight. Okay? And then, may feature kasi si Word over here, 'di ba? Na hindi ko sasama to, nag-control all ako. So, hindi. Isasama ko to. Ayan. Okay, may feature siya dito na papalitan siya. Okay, so, kunyari, gusto ko siyang naka all caps. Upper ka. Ayan. So, pag nag-upper, ayan, lalaki siya. Okay, Control Z lang pag undo. Control Z or undo. Or click mo yung undo over here. Ayun. Pareho lang siya. O kaya, gusto mo lowercase everything. O, di lower. O, nag-lowercase siya everything. So, Control Z again. Or ito nga, sabi ko sa inyo, yung undo. Uy, bakit ano ka? Yarn. Undo. Okay, so babalik siya dyan. So, pwede namang ganyan, pwede rin namang all caps. Depende po sa iyo kung anong trip mo. Okay, but it is always that your name is larger than the body. Okay, kasi kailangan mo siyang i-highlight. So, pwede siyang mas malaki at naka-bold. Okay, so ma'am, ano yung bold? Ito po, yung bold, ayan. Or Control B. Okay? If you can see, if I hover to the menu over here, dun sa ribbon, papakitaan ka niya ng shortcut. You know, ng Control B. So, every time na baka gagamitin mo yun, baka pwedeng yun na. Diba? Control, ganun na lang. Okay? So, pero kung hindi mo pa rin ma-memorize, there's no problem. It's over here. Nandyan lang. Control B mo lang o di-click mo yan. Magiging bold siya. Okay? Kung gusto mong palakihin siya, ayan o, meron tayo ditong pataas, merong pababa. Ayan. So, makikita mo, binibigyan ka rin niya ng, anong tawag natin dito? Shortcut. Natatawa lang ako, yung shortcut niya dito, iba sa shortcut ko. Kasi sabi niya dito, Control Shift greater than. Hindi ko pa na-try yun. Control Shift greater than. Try ko nga. Greater than. Okay. Less than. Okay. Kasi meron akong sarili kong shortcut. Yung control, yung parenthesis, ay yung ano. Pareho din naman. Hindi ko mapakita sa inyo kasi wala tayo dito. Iba yung ginagamit ko sa ginagamit niya. Anyway, pareho pa rin naman. Okay? So, kung saan ka komportable, go. Okay? So, yan, naka-bold siya. Okay? So, ano pa? Personal email. So, don't forget to put your personal email. So, over here, okay, personal email tayo. So, wag kang maglalagay ng maldita.com. Maldita@gmail.com. Ha? Tigil-tigilan mo. Okay, so probably may professional email ka. Ayan. So, since naka-bold pa siya, highlight natin. Ayan. Highlight, then control B. Ayan. Ay, B. New yata yung nagawa ko. Bulag si ma'am eh. B. New na naman. Bubu. Ayan, B. Ayan, control B. Ayan, stay. C. Those. Ayan, Stacy Diaz. Ayan, Diaz. O kung may makita kang ganyan, di go. At gmail.com. Okay, and then, control enter. Nagulat ka, biglang, nagkaroon ng hyperlink. Okay, so pag nagkaroon ng hyperlink, just click backspace. Okay, matanggal na siya dyan. Okay, so, ano pa? Contact information, so definitely meron ka dapat contact number. O di ilagay mo yung iyong active number, 0999999999. O kunyari, kung ano man yan. Okay? So lagay mo rin dyan. Okay? Ma'am, ang pangit nung spacing niya, masyadong malaki. O di palitan mo, control 1. Hindi kita anoan ng control 1, o ayaw niya rin yatang gumana. O iba yung napindot ko. Ay hindi, nag-iisip pa siya eh. Meron tayo ditong formatting. Ayan yung spacing natin over here. Ayan o, spacing, line spacing. Okay? So, pwedeng 1 o kaya ano. Pero dito, pili tayo dito. Ayan, yung line spacing option. Okay? Yung single space natin, ayan o. Yung per paragraph niya, tanggalin mo to. O, lagay mo 0. Sandali. Ayoko ng auto. Lagay mo 0. Okay. Para lumiit. Yun. Okay, kasi masyadong naghiwa-hiwalay. Okay, so yan. Okay? Also, don't forget your 2x2 picture over here sa upper right. Okay, so kanina na-check na natin yung mga pictures ninyo and medyo okay naman. Okay, meron kasing iba dyan, mga naka-side view, naka-ganyan. Tigil-tigilan nyo ako. Ha? Dyan pa lang makikita na agad kung i-hire ka nila or not. Okay, so please. Okay, when you say, sige, tingin nga tayo ng kasi gusto ko rin makita, baka may mga mali. At least, this is not for fun. Okay, we will just check if merong mali or tama. Okay, so sige. Over here, yung mga nauna kanina, okay naman. Ito, okay naman siya. Pero siguro comment ko lang dito, kasi since white background tayo, yung dress mo should be in contrast. No? So, dapat black, white, ganun. Or dark, then white. Okay, so ito, okay, ito. Ayan. Ito, slightly medyo hindi. Why? Kasi para kang naka ganon. Okay? So, make it professional. Okay? Walang slight pa-cute. Okay? Kasi it is a formal resume. Okay? So, ito, okay lang sana kaso masyadong nakat. Kasi preferably, kita yung collarbone. Okay? Kita yung collarbone. Okay? Yan. Okay yan. Ito, ikat mo lang ng konti dito. Ayan, ganyan. Yan. Okay na yan. Yan. Ito si kuya, medyo nakaslant kasi ng konti yung face niya. Medyo baguhin natin konti. Okay? Ito. Okay, ito. Okay. Ma'am, okay lang bang hindi nakasmile? Pwede naman, but a little smile would do. Kasi again, it is your first impression. Okay? So, kasi parang pag hindi ka nakasmile, parang ang lungkot-lungkot mo naman. 'Di ba? Mga ganun. Ayan. Again, ito, medyo naka-bend ng konti. So, tapos naka-white din siya, tapos white background. Medyo ayusin natin ng konti. Okay? So, ito obvious ito na naka-selfie kasi kitang-kita yung braso. So, pwede mo namang i-cut hanggang dito. Ganon. Okay? Pero yun nga, dapat in contrast po sana yung color. Ayan, ito, napakaganda. Okay? So, ito, maganda yung, niya. Why? He's wearing a corporate attire. Okay, I don't know if it is Photoshop, but if it is a Photoshop photo, then ang ganda ng pagka-Photoshop niya. Hindi halata. Ayan, ayan, okay yan. 'Di ba? Nakikita naman. This one as well. Ayan, no? Ganda. Okay? So, ito, medyo, kasi tingnan mo, nakikita may shadow. So, parang hindi siya professionally taken. Ay, lalo na ito. Okay, ito, pagkita ko pa lang, ano ba ang a-applyan nitong position? Ako, executive accountant daw nako. Ganun na siya. Okay, I'm not doing this to embarrass you, ha. I'm just looking for examples. Okay, ito medyo nakagilid, so pwede i-crop mo hanggang dito para hindi halata. Okay? Yung mga ganon. Okay, nagets naman? Can I see hearts to those who understand? Ayan, konti lang yata nakaintindi. Bakit hindi nag-heart ang iba? Ayan. Thank you. Ayan. Okay, so nagets na kung ano yung ilalagay natin dito sa ating resume. Nandito siya dyan, 2 by 2. Ma'am, bakit? Actually, hindi naman talaga requirement ang picture. Okay? But in the Philippines kasi, requirement siya. Okay? Kasi if mag-a-apply ka sa mga multinational companies, they don't care how you look. 'Di ba? Pero if you're looking or if you're applying for a local company, very ano sila, very after the look. Okay? Kaya nga I said to my students, no, you apply for a multinational company first, right after you graduate. Okay? Wag sa mga local companies. Except for if ikaw ay BSA na magsi-CPA. Okay? Kasi pag CPA ka, okay, you work first sa accounting firm. Okay? Alam natin ang mga sahod sa accounting firm medyo mababa. Okay lang 'yun. Okay? Kasi it is your training ground. Okay? But pag syempre during the interview, wag mong sabihin it is just a training ground. Kasi no na agad 'yon during an interview. Okay? So parang sasabihin mo lang doon, this is my dream job, this is my dream company to be part of this growing company, so on so forth. Okay? But yun nga, you have to include a picture. Okay? So this is part of your heading, your contact information. Okay? So sabi nila, 'di ba? It is slightly bigger. So make it slightly bigger. Ayan. So pwede kang 18, 14, ayan. Kasi syempre dapat makita agad yung name mo. Okay? So ako kasi 18 ang gamit natin. Okay? And then your email and your contact info. Ito nga pwede mong lakihan din siya eh. Okay? You select. Lakihan mo rin ng konti. Bakit? Iko-contact ka nila tapos hindi nila mabasa kung ano yung email mo tsaka ano. Baka hindi ka na lang nila kontakin. Di ba? Okay? So let's go to the next part. Ayan. So, if you have a LinkedIn account, ayan, mas maganda meron ka. Meron akong LinkedIn account. So, let's check my LinkedIn account. Ma'am, ano yun? It is an application. Okay. So, let's check lang. Marami akong emails eh. Ayan. So, for example lang, kasi wala akong link ng LinkedIn. Naka-link siya sa aking Gmail. So, LinkedIn. Wala. LinkedIn. Ito nga. LinkedIn. Ano ba ito? Nag-i-invite eh. LinkedIn. Ayan. Okay. So, LinkedIn. Yan, yung LinkedIn na sinasabi ni ma'am. Okay, kasi para siyang resume mo na uploaded online. Okay, so syempre, take a look at mine. Okay. So, ganyan siya. So, syempre, best picture forward tayo. So, yung pinakamaganda mong picture. Ayan. So, yan yung ating picture. Okay, tapos yung name natin. Ako hindi ko na binuo yung name ko kasi if you can see, ang haba ng name ko. Okay? So, pag inano ko yan, bababa pa yung Diaz dito. Okay? So, ayan, you write your something mo. Ayan. O, diba? Para dun palang kita na nila agad. So, employers look at LinkedIn accounts. This is a professional resume application kasi wherein you can apply already for a job using this para siyang job street. Ganyan na you look for job openings tapos makikita agad ng employers yung iyong resume. So if you can do that, then do it. Okay? Para hindi ka pupunta ng company for company to company just to apply. Okay? They do that. Okay? Ayan. Okay? Next, your professional or professional summary. If you are doing a curriculum vitae, then you do your your academics, okay, yung educational attainment. But if you're doing a typical resume or the mini resume, you put first your work experience because they are asking or they are most relevant. Okay, and if you also have skills, other skills or certifications, you put it there. Okay, so summary, ayan, you have your skills, you have your, uy, ang bagal. Ang nangyari, nagahang. You have your education background, you have your certifications for SAP, put it there. Yan, yung CPA licensure exam, CMA, CAT, MICB, you put it there. Ayan, additional sections, probably you are a volunteer to this job, you have a project like this, you are a JPIA officer, you are so on so forth, then put it there. Okay? Formatting and aesthetics, pinakita ko na sa inyo yung mga, ano nga yun? Templates kanina. So, mamili ka doon. Pwede namang walang template. Okay? Kasi yung mga kanina, mga non-traditional resumes yon, yung templates na nasa Word. Yung may mga graphics, mga ganon, ano. Okay? Pero pwede naman, mga lines would do, pero yung colorful something, since you are applying for an accounting position, don't do that. Okay? Make it simple. Kasi nga, professional ka eh. Okay? So, wag masyadong maraming arte. Okay? So, that's how you do a resume. Okay? So, yung mga something features ng Microsoft Word, we will be discussing it by next week. Okay? Kasi we focus first on our activity over here. This is a resume. Okay. So, it is, sandali tingnan ko lang. Professional formatting. Ayan. So, ito yung rubrics po natin. So, please take a look at the rubrics para complete ang grades natin. Okay. So, instructions, create a stunning resume. When I say stunning, ganun agad. Okay? Hindi yung, hindi ganun stunning. Hindi siya stunning. Shocking siya. Okay? So, create a stunning resume. Wait lang. Let me double check if my students are still here. Can I see hearts of those who are still here? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I always check that kasi sometimes I do ask my students to open their cameras. So, I know that they're there. But, sayang yung data. Okay? So, let's, ano na lang, use hearts. So, I know you're still listening. Okay? So, create a stunning resume and label what type of resume is that. Okay? So, on your file name, lagay mo, mini resume. Ganun. Don't put your name on the file name kasi I already know that it is yours. 'Di ba? When you submit it, it's tagged on your name. Okay? So put there instead the type of resume that you are making. Okay? Then include the 2x2, yung pinasa natin kanina.
Can you help me?
Yeah, what? What
I
happened?
I pressed two buttons and I can't get out. Oh,
Oh, you pressed the magnification there. So just press the unmagnify. So
Oh,
you can put this one over here so you won't touch it.
wait, why did you clear it?
Oh, I thought you're wanting to do that. You're not? You
Oh,
can open it.
yeah, but
If
how
it's
do
slow
I?
but if it's slow bat, then charge it, no playing.
Okay, but how do I clear it?
You you do it over here and then click clear. Okay? If a lot of apps are open, it will be low bat instantly. Okay? Okay, so where were we? So include the 2 by 2 picture that we had on the first activity. Edit it ha, yung mga mali. Yung may mga mali. Wait lang ha, nawawala yung paningin ni ma'am. Okay, in the white background, ayan, and place it on the right corner. Pwede kang mag-put ng border, pwede rin namang wala. Mas maganda na yung wala. Okay? Save a PDF copy and upload both the docs and the PDF copy. Ma'am, what is a PDF copy? So, let's go back sa ating Word. Okay, for example, ito yung ano natin. Then you click save, okay? Or you save the document. Don't click save because it will be saved on the default file name. So your default file name kasi is document 1. So I don't like that, 'di ba? So go on file, ito po yung file, the first tab. Okay, click file, then click save as. Okay, save as and then put it in your designated place or folder. Okay, on my case, I will just put it on the desktop para madali. Ayan, desktop. Okay, so desktop ang pinili ko. And then, instead of writing your name, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, mini resume. Okay, mini. Yan, I'll put mini resume. Yan. Okay, so here, I will save it in Word. Okay, save it in Word. Save. Click save. Okay, but then again, I will save it in a PDF copy. 'Di ba sabi ni ma'am, PDF copy tayo. So, balik tayo ng save as. And then, dito tayo sa more. Uy, nagahang ang aking mouse. Ayan. Ayan. So, piliin ko ulit ang desktop. Ayan. Dito, naka-mini PDF naman na siya eh. Ayan, as a mini resume naman na siya. Pero instead of that, so pareho lang ang file name ko. Pero, under there, it's a save as type. Okay, so click here. Ayan yung drop down or just click here. Nagahang ang aking mouse. Bagal. Ayan. Just click it here, then choose PDF. Ayun, PDF. Okay? So, mag-a-appear na siya, miniresume.pdf. Okay? Then, click Save. Okay? So, ma'am, why PDF? Oh, wait lang. Mag-a-appear yan. Hindi lang, nasisilaw si ma'am. Lipat ko lang. Okay. Mag-a-appear na yung sinave ko in a PDF form. Wait ko lang. Kasi ang sinet up ko dyan ay to appear right after. Ito na yung aking PDF. Wait lang natin. Kasi pag ang gamit nyo ay Nitro, mabagal ang Nitro. Pero pag ang gamit nyo ay, ano ba yung usual? Basta ang usual na PDF reader, hindi ko matandaan. Basta ako ay use Nitro. Ayan. So, ito na siya. Ang PDF copy, ito ang Word copy. So, anong difference ng Word copy sa PDF copy? Yung Word copy kasi, it could be edited. Okay? Pag sinubmit mo siya in Canvas, pag nag-zoom ako, nasisira yung formatting. Okay? Yung picture na nandito, minsan nandito na siya, na-edit siya. Okay? There is a way para hindi ma-edit ito. Okay? It's here on review tab. Ayan o, meron siyang protect. Okay? So, para pag kinlik ko yung protect, hindi na siya ma-edit ng kung sino mang mag-edit unless they know your password. Okay? Pero, the formatting still will be changed if I view it in Canvas. That's why I require a PDF copy. PDF copy is Zoom mo or not, whatsoever, hindi nababago ang formatting. Okay, that's why I want a PDF copy and a Word copy. A PDF copy is for my checking, and the Word copy is for me to check if you did it right. Okay, kasi baka mamaya picture ang ginamit natin. Okay? Yan. Yan na ang ating PDF copy. So, yan ang ating Word copy. Okay? What else? So, save both files. Okay? So, the font is 12. Okay? So, the body size is 12. You may use Verdana, Arial, or Times New Roman. So, yan lang yung font na gusto ko. Okay? So, for the body, it is 12. But don't worry, the heading is different. Okay? So, you may choose 18, 16, 14, whatsoever. But the body is 12. Okay? Pwede kang mag-bold dun sa mga highlights mo. For example, the school or the course. Ayan. Okay lang yon. But as is tayo with the 12 font size. Okay? For the body. What else? Ayan, note. In lieu of your experience, you may include experience or classroom experience. Okay? Club experience or org experience or classroom experience. Naging president ka ng homeroom nyo, di ba? Naging president ka ng ganito, naging ganyan, and so on. Okay? Kasi wala ka pang work experience. But if you already have your OJT, which is hindi pa, or if you have a previous job experience before, we cannot say, di ba? Di yun ang gamitin mo. Okay? Check your rubrics for the points, for full points. Ito lang naman, simple lang naman ang rubrics ni ma'am. Okay? May points dyan ang punctuality, so please do not submit it late. So the due date will be on Feb 1, so this is this week, and until Feb 8, so next week. Okay? So ganun ang ating activity. Meron din tayong activity on the table of contents. Ayan. So, for the saan yan? Ayan. Making a table or something. But, it is for next week pa. Okay? So, I will not publish it. Hindi ka lang ha. I-publish ko lang yung ating resume activity. Publish. Uy. Sabi ni ma'am, pwede kang mag-groupings. Okay? But the groupings is just for help. Okay? So, pwedeng pareho kayo ng formatting but the details should be different. Siyempre, personalized po dapat yan. Okay? So, that's it. Do you have any questions? My dear students? Questions? Wala? Are you still there? Can I see hearts? Ayan. Okay. So again, our class will be online. Okay, but starting next meeting, guys, I will be using your room, okay, to accommodate all my ITAB students. Okay, so pwede namang ikaw, pwede din po yung iba. Okay, but not all of you. Kasi yung mga may computer dyan, may mga laptop dyan, you do it on your own. Okay? Kasi let's give way to others para makapag-ano sila, lalo na yung mga wala pong gadget. Okay? Again, our class is online. Our exam will be two parts. We'll have 2 parts. The theory and the theory and the hands-on. Okay? It is still undecided if we will have an online exam or an on-site exam. But definitely, I will give you a reviewer. Okay? A reviewer for the theory part. Okay? For the hands-on part, we have these recording. Okay? It will be published on your Canvas. So, if ever that you are not able to attend this class, you can view the video. Okay? After this, I will upload it na. Okay? So, you won't have anything to reklamo about. Charot, mga ganyan. Okay? So, ayan. So, do we have any questions? Concerns? Clarifications, guys? None? Can you say none? If none? Yoo-hoo? None? 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 Ayan. I wanna hear your voices. None ba? None? No. You still there? Wala na siya. Siya. Sige, walang gustong magsalita. So, if you don't have questions, guys, you may leave me a heart. So, you can leave the Gmeet link na po. Thank you so much for attending ITAB. Goodbye!